Hello guys, today you will watch Netflix for under $2. Stay tuned.
They'll spit gum in your hair.
First, you need to go to the mtcgame.com webpage, and from there, you need to change currency to Turkish money, because Netflix only accepts payment in the currency of the country you're in. In the search bar, type in Netflix. You'll see that the Netflix gift cards from the various countries will show. You need to search for the Turkish gift card. As you can see, the expiration date of the gift card is 27th of January 2025. So that means, when you buy the gift card, you need to use it in that period or it will become invalid. Netflix gift card is basically 11-digit PIN that will be sent to your email after you buy it here, and you'll need to redeem it after you log into Netflix. You'll see later. You can buy 2 gift cards. The first one is worth 90 Turkish liras, and the second one is worth 120. I will buy the cheaper one because it is enough for multiple months of Netflix subscription. Click on Add to Cart, then go to Cart. Here, you need to type your email address, where your 11-digit code will be sent. Check the box I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and click Go to Payment. Here, you can choose from the various types of payments. You can choose credit card, e-wallet, bank transfer, or crypto payment. Each payment has its commission rate. So you choose what best suits for you. I will choose the Visa MasterCard type of payment just for the purposes of this tutorial. So as you can see, the commission fee is around 2.5 Turkish liras. So, all summed up, you will pay 92.5 Turkish liras. Now, we will convert this 92.5 Turkish liras to US dollars. $92.5 Turkish liras is equal as 6.8 US dollars. So it's around $7, but you will see later that this will be enough for multiple Netflix payments. Okay, now, just click Secure Pay. Type in your credit card information, and click on the blue button to pay. Now, you need to go to your email inbox, and write down or copy the 11-digit code you were sent. Next important step is installing VPN. Because if you want Turkish Netflix, that means also cheaper Netflix, we need to change our IP so that it looks like our PC is in Turkey. Go to the Google and type in Urban Free VPN Proxy Unblocker Chrome. Click on the second link and click Add to Chrome. You can also install it as a separate program on your PC, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I will just install it as an extension to the Google Chrome. Now, go to the Extension Manager in the top right corner of the screen and click on your Urban Free VPN. Now, find the country Turkey and click Play. Now our PC has Turkish IP, and we can log into Netflix, and the Netflix will assume that we come from Turkey. Go to the netflix.com page and create your free account. Type in your email address and click Get Started. Click on Next. Add the password to your account. Then, click Next. Now, you need to choose your plan. Click Next. As you can see, you have 3 plans. The first one is Basic, the second one is Standard, and the third one is Premium. The first plans cost 27 Turkish liras. If we convert that to dollars, you will see that 27 Turkish liras equals 1.99 US dollars. So it's around 2 US dollars for 1 month of Netflix. Click on Next. Now here comes the most important part. This is the part where you write in your gift code. Here, you need to paste your 11-digit PIN code that you got on your email earlier and click on Redeem Gift Code. Now, your account will get the money that you got by buying the gift code from the beginning of the video. You bought the gift card worth $6, and the 1 month of Netflix subscription cost $2. So now, you can watch Netflix for 3 months on this account. When you spend your credit on your account, just repeat the process of buying a gift card and go to Netflix settings of your account and enter 11-digit PIN. Then your account will have credit for 3 more months of watching Netflix. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if this tutorial was helpful to you.
They'll spit gum in your hair.
Okay. Thanks for taking on.